number line to solve 32 divided by 4. I've already drawn a number line and started off by putting my total 32 on here. What I need to do now is hop back by counts of 4 until I get to 0 and I've used all of my 32. So the first hop back would be 28 because 32 minus 4 is 28. Now I'm trying to get down to 0, so I'm going to do another hop back from 28 to get to 24. And then I'm going to do another one. Do you know where I might be now? 20. Okay, we're on our way, but we're still not at 0. Let's try another one. Another hop of 4 from 20 back to 16. Okay, we're getting closer. Another hop of 4. Where would I be? 12. Okay, we're going to keep going. We're almost there. Another hop back of 4 would be 8. And then we're at 4. And then we made it to 0. So we've made 32 by hops of 4. Now we need to count and see how many hops we made. So we started here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. Now we're going to try a new one. 36 divided by 6. This time, I'm going to use repeated addition. I want to find out how many 6's I need to add to get to the number 36. So I'm going to start with 2. If I add 6 plus 6, I get 12. So I'm not quite there yet. Let's try another one. 12 plus 6 is 18. We've got to keep going. Let's add another 6. 18 plus 6 would get me all the way up to 24. We're not quite there yet, but we're getting close. So 24 plus 6 will get me to 30. I'm almost there. Now my last one, 30 and 6 more. That's 36. We made it. Now we just need to figure out how many 6's we needed. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I needed 6 6's to get to 36. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. We're going to try using loops and groups next. 20 divided by 4. So the first thing I did was draw my 4 groups. Now we're going to take 20 and split it evenly into these 4 groups. Now I could go one at a time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way till we get to 20. But it might take a little longer. So we're going to start off by putting 2 in each one. Now imagine you counted out 20 tiles. So right now we have 20. I'm going to start off by putting a 2 in each of mine. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I don't have 20 tiles left over anymore. I'm going to take 8 away because there's 8 in here. So 20 minus 8 would get me 12 left. Well, I have enough. I can put 2 more in each one. That's another 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. I need to remember to come over here and take it out of my tally because it's not an extra anymore. I already put them in. So 12 minus 8 is going to get me to 4. Now, if I only have 4 left and I have 4 groups, that leaves me with only one choice. I need to put 1 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put 4. And now we're left with no more left over. So now we're going to zoom into our groups. Really, we just need to look at one group because every group has the same amount. I have a 2, and a 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 makes 5. So 20 divided by 4 is 5 in each group. For my last problem, I'm going to do 14 divided by 2 using an array. The first thing I need to do is, since I'm taking 14 and putting it into 2 groups, I'm going to make 2 rows. Here are my 2 rows. Now I need to take 14 and equally split it into these rows. I already have 2 here, so I'm going to keep adding 2's until I've used 14. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, we're almost there, 12, and 14. Now I'm going to double check, make sure I still have 2 rows, and I need to count how many in each row I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 14 divided by 2 is 7 in each row. Do you have a favorite strategy? Why don't you try it with one of your own problems? Thanks for watching. See you next time.